Hi, it's Ed Dale with Remax, and today we're in Whyte Ridge at 10 Sandown Point, and we have a really nice two-story for you to see, so let's go have a look. Here we are in the main floor of the 1737 square foot two-story, and has a classic floor plan with a formal living room and dining room, bamboo flooring, and the kitchen has a big island with stainless steel appliances, and it adjoins this family room. It has a gas fireplace, a huge picture window, and new laminate flooring. But we got 3 more bedrooms upstairs to see, and a fully finished basement, so let's go have a look. Well, that's it for 10 Sandown Point. If you have any more questions about this property, you can call me, Ed Dale, with Remax anytime.